I can't take any credit. Can't take any credit, you know, because nothing went the way I planned. To live in like Europe and your dream comes true in Florida. Hallelujah. I'm so excited for a house. Pile of dirt. This is approximately where my garage will be, guys. And then look at that. Oh, that's gonna be my view out my kitchen. So pretty. I'm so excited. Oh. The roof is getting on there. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to move here, guys. So we're in my neighborhood and these are the houses that are getting built. They look pretty good. Everything looks pretty good. But we just want to check on our house. And it looks intact, actually. There's our house, guys. Our house is the middle one. If you guys can't see my finger, boop, that's my front door. Happy Thursday or Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, December 20th, and I'm headed to my final walkthrough for the house. Good, and I'm just so grateful. You know, God kind of put us on this house assignment this time last year, and we're accomplishing it, you know, and I learned a lot. All of them. That's mine here. It is very nice. My house is this way. Guys, whew, today is the day that I close on my house. I'm so excited. I closed today at 4 p.m. It is now I don't even know what time it is, 12 something. I'm super excited. I just thank God for what he's doing and how he's doing it, and hashtag grateful. So I got some skinny vanilla latte life over here. Ice, because I'm just burning up. All right, guys, well, I'll talk to y'all later and catch you at the closing table. Hey, guys. We are sitting in the parking lot of the closing office. I just realized, like, this is like our Christmas gift.
I'm getting my poker face on.
Okay.
How's that?
Yeah, that's good. This is one of the best Christmas gifts we can give to ourselves. It's great to buy a house. It's also great to obey God. That's the biggest thing, is that we obeyed God and that we are walking in faith, and we're gonna keep doing it like this forever. We just bought a house. It took about 14 hours. I'm just joking. It only took about an hour. We did really, really good. You did good, babe?
Yeah.
How you feel?
Did I do good?
Yes. Aww.
You guys did it.
We
Very
did
proud
it.
Of you. Very happy for you. First of many.
Yes, first of many. Hi guys, I'm in my house. And I am so grateful. I am grateful. I'm just so happy, guys.